To every world leader out there, our future hinges on how we treat our young generation. Are we doing enough? I am Abdurrahman Al Gammal, CEO of Gammal Tech. Today, I'm calling on governments, businesses, and influencers to prioritize youth education and skills training, especially in tech. Because half the world is under 30, many lack the resources to learn and thrive. When we invest in STEM, coding programs, and digital upskilling, we spark innovation, reduce inequality, and grow economies across borders. Neglecting youth education, it's not just missed opportunity, it's a global risk. So here is my plea. Make youth education part of every summit, every budget, every policy. The next revolution in tech and society belongs to them. World leaders, the time to act is now. Will you join us?